Namaste friends, welcome to Picante Curry. My name is Sangeeta Sharma. First, let me wish you all Happy New Year and I wish a lot of happiness, peace and prosperity to all my friends and family members. I'm really happy within a short span of time we are 300 family members. And I want to thank you all who liked, commented and subscribed my channel. Instead of saying my channel, here I want to correct myself, our channel. Those who are visiting for the first time, let me tell you, this channel is about all delicious food I cook in my kitchen with love and create tasty dish that can be made at home with easily and quickly. I try my best to share the love and food together through my videos. You all are free to give suggestions, what new recipes you want me to make or how you like my videos. Let's grow together. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook so we can connect with each other. Link is in the description below. And if you like my recipe, please do comment, share with your friends and family members. If you tried any of my recipe, just take a picture and can tag me on my social media. If you have any questions, do comment below in comment section. Hope to see you soon. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for all my recipes. Once again, Happy New Year. Namaste. See you soon with new recipes.